Let's go to head office now. Giles Beckford, our business editor, is beaming in from Wellington. Hi, Giles. Fonterra has come in with pretty much as expected, as predicted by you last night, with its increased payout for the dairy season and its starting forecast for next season.
Indeed, John, it's been a pretty good day for farmers who are in the dairy industry. Fonterra is now saying that they're going to pay $6.15 a kilo of milk solids, plus a final dividend of around 40 cents, and that's what we were expecting last week. So we're looking at a total payout for this season of $6.55. That's the best we've had in quite a while. We compare that with last year's $4.30, and we're saying that on Fonterra sums, that's about $3.5 billion extra into farmers' pockets. That's come about, as we were discussing, with a better supply and demand balance in world markets. Overproduction has been falling, prices have been rising. Now, one of the farmers who's going to benefit from that is Chris Faulkner from the Waikato, and he says it'll be more than welcome by most.
It's a matter of catch-up for some. I think that some people have tightened their belts in all sorts of areas, so this will be an opportunity to catch up on some of that deferred maintenance and retire some debt. But also I just think it's a bit of breathing space for people and will enable them to make more better decisions for their business, because there's more in it for them.
And Chris Faulkner says that he's also buoyed by Fonterra's picking of a specific figure, $6.50 for their opening forecast for the new season. That's the one that starts in July. Now, that's the best opening level in 4 years. Just 2 years ago, we were talking $3.90 as the opening gambit, so you can see there the improvement that's been around. And with dividends added in by the end this time next year, we could be talking somewhere around $7 payout to farmers. And that will obviously prompt a bit more spending by them. That should tempt some of them perhaps to increase production, although I think the expectations and the hopes will be perhaps not too much. Of course, there is a flip side to these coins, that when the prices go up, then the costs of the raw materials for Fonterra goes up. So what they actually get from their commercial activities, the value-added consumer products, that takes a little bit of a hit because their raw material costs are higher. Even so, you'd have to say that there's a fairly good day for cockies today.
Thanks, Giles. What happened on the markets today with all of that stuff?
Another solid day for the share market, up 37.7422 for the top 50 index, and the New Zealand dollar holding around 70 US cents and 93.9 Australian.
Giles Beckford, our business editor. Thank you, Giles.